Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome to my channel where we do all things African print. So today we are going to be making this DIY woven African print ropes necklace. So first I cut 4 lengths of my ropes. You can cut 4 or 5 or even 6, and then I also cut strips of fabric. Then I fold these strips of fabric in half, and then I sew about 1 centimeter from the edge. Then I do this for all my fabric strips. So there are all my fabric strips, all folded in half and sewed. Then I just use a safety pin to just turn them inside out. And then after turning them inside out, I use the same safety pin, and then I insert the rope into the fabric tube. So there are all my 4 ropes, and then I just go on to one end, and then I use a sewing needle and thread, and then I just sew, and then I tie that edge, and I make sure everything is together. Then I just tightly wrap the thread over the 4 ropes. So after that, I'll now take my ropes, and then I'll place them on the table, and then I take some tape, and then I tape it onto the table. Then I now start to braid. So the way I braid is by taking the first rope from the edge, then I put it over the rope, under and over. So it's always over, under and over. It's as if you are weaving, and then you just keep on doing that. So it takes a little bit of practice, but once you get it, you'll have gotten it. Then when I get to the end, I just cut, and I make sure that everything is equal, and then I take the same needle, and then I sew and tie them together. Then after that, I now had to insert the fastening. Then I just used my hot glue gun, and then I inserted the little gold bell knobs. So there are many ways to fasten this. You can also use like a ribbon, satin ribbon, if you don't have these gold or metal things. Then I inserted some chains and jump rings and the lobster hook in the end. So that is all for the DIY, you guys. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye.